Hello guys, Jokit. I'm Jokit here, and we are on another video again. And in this video, we are going to restore a toy that I remembered. How did I remember? I had buried it under the dirt when I was really young. I was so young, really young, and I loved to put objects under the dirt. I loved to bury them. And so, when I was watering the plants, I saw a bit of green and I remembered, oh yeah, this green music toy that spoke Greek. And it was about the mythology with the guy some mythology, some old Greek mythology. So guys, this is screwdriver. We are going to unbury this toy and restore it. And I think it's in really bad condition. It was like for 6, 7, 8 years when I was like really small, really small. So guys, dirty floors, right? So how am I going to? I am going to use a spoon as a pickaxe or something. Let's do this, guys. Spoon unburying time. Oh, I see. Look, see, I see it. There we go. Thumbnail. This is the thumbnail. Okay, guys. So now let's unbury the entire thing. It has. Okay. Let me get my. Okay. Oh, good. It's coming off. Oh man, it's like a. Oh man. Ugh. Dirt. Let me place it right there. Okay. Okay, guys. Let's put the camera in a nice position. It's already focused. So we are going to splash some water. We're going to splash water on this, guys. I put it on the floor. Let me tilt the camera so you can see better. I know that you still can't see. Okay, guys, let me kick it. Oh, I can see so much dirt. Oh, yikes. Let me pour water. Let me pass through the camera first and get it. And I'm gonna post the video so you can't see me. Bye. Posing time. Okay, guys, I have it. Let's do this. Clean the dirty stuff. Guys, we officially managed to clean it. Let me pause the video and bring it forward. Bye. Okay, guys, I got it from the floor and much better condition, bro, than before. Let's get this thing open. Some screws are missing. Oh man. Let's begin with this one. Some screws are rusty as hell. This one is removed. Ooh, rusty oaks. Yikes. Ooh, another rusty one. Full of rusty screws. Disgusting. Yikes. So then we're gonna clean it from the inside, because I already see dirt. When I put the water, I saw dirt. Like here is full of dirt. Oh man, let me see this side. Okay. Oh, don't let that touch it. Oh no, my tablet is wet. Guys, wait. No. Okay. Not my tablet, at least it's the case, and it's brand new, bro. Annoying. Oh, this one is just stiff. This one is stiff screw. Did mud make it stiff as hell. Dude, it's not stiff. I was trying to remove it backwardly. I removed it backwards, bruh. Big mistake. Let's remove the rusty one. Rusty one, I don't think it even screwed in. This guy, this one is stiff. Okay, now it's coming up. Now we have this guy. Oh, it's in the screwdriver. Have this guy. I prepared to see something dirty. It's gonna be full of dirt, right? No, this one is stiff. This one is stiff. Oh, which way? It doesn't wanna go. Oh, it's stiff. This one is real stiff, bro. It's like I can't get it out. Okay. Woo! Succeeded. We have this guy. Let me move it. Okay. Oh, that one's easy compared to the previous one. No, this guy is already a bit. Oh no, it's banging the camera again because, oh my god. I'm sorry if I cut your view from my hand. Yeah, I might cut your view. This screw was really hard from the time. Oh, bro, there's only one screw. Bro, there's one screw. Let's remove this. Oh, I see mud. I rusted mud. Ready? Oh, you can't open it. Great. Oh my. Oh my. Oh, it's full of dirt. Oh, I forgot one screw. Last screw, take off. Bruh, ready? Steady. Ow. Ugh. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Dirty. Look at this. The speaker is barely visible. Oh. Yucks. Oh. Dirty as hell. Let me remove a bit of this chocolate cake. Super dirty chocolate cake, bruh. Ugh. Get more of this. Look at this. Ugh, muddy. Oh man, look at this mud. Mud. More mud. The mud. The worst condition toy. Fresh cooked chocolate dirt. It's splashing splash when I put it. Okay, let's take off this speaker. Oh, my hands are dirty. Let me take it with a spoon. This is a speaker. Put it aside. And then we're gonna, now let's splash it with water. I'm going to put it down. That's good. I'm going to put this thing down. Be prepared for this. I'm gonna pause and put it down without splashing the camera. Okay guys, I brought in the water and I put it down on the floor. Let's water this. Okay, ready guys? Go! Yeah, that needs really much watering. Need a little water for that mud to come out. Okay guys, it did the best it could. Okay, it's much more clean, right? Yes. Okay, now I have to grab this dirt, the dirty toy. And I'm going to close it even if it's wet. Yes, I'm going to clean the the circuit board and clean it. Okay, let me grab it without getting caught by the camera. Bye. Okay, guys, we're here. So it's much more clean than before, right? Yes. I'm not going to paint it like the other guys. I'm just going to close it. I'm going to put a bit of paper to clean it, the wetness from the board only, and from the clicking thing that you press the keys. Let me clean the keys so it's back conductive, and the capacitors. I need to clean the capacitors, or else it won't wanna boot up. Let me remove some of the mud. Use another piece of paper now to clean this mud. Let me okay, there's no mud under there. Let me clean the speaker. Okay, the wires. This part, the paper from the for the responsive touch, and okay, now that pretty much does it. I'm going to put it back. Okay, guys, I'm going to put it on camera back because you might think it's a fake video. That it's a fake restoration like these weird dudes that do it like that. No. Now the inside is clean. The outside will look dirty, but the inside is surely clean. I promise. It's clean. So guys, let's get started. One screw. La 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 la. Oh, let me see. The camera must see the screws. For the relaxing part, screwing the screws. Okay. When my video reaches 14, I'm going to skip it to a part. If it reaches 14 minutes, I'm going to skip it to a part that it is like from the start. So guys, let's put the screw in for YouTube. This screw right here. Let me put it in because that was the old stiff screw. Remember, the one that didn't want to go in. Oh man, this is difficult. Noisy cars. Okay, I can't put it really good in because of the bad dirt. Okay, guys. Okay, we put these two screws. So now before screwing, we're going to test if this really actually works. Oh, wait a minute. Let me put one screw here before testing that. So we're gonna verify security. Let me put this screw too. I'm just gonna screw it the best I can. Some screws don't wanna go. I'm going to remove them later. Okay, guys. I got to reach 15 minutes and not more because I don't have a verified YouTube channel. Bruh, let me put this. Joe Kid is I'm the Joe Kid guy. Okay. I hope this video gets a lot of views, and please like and subscribe right now. If you don't, you will miss out my amazing videos that I will do on 2025 or something. Who knows if I become a big YouTuber. I might not. I might. Or might not become, but I may become. Who knows? It could be both. Oh, the third paper is going to be used to clean the battery contacts. So I can put a nice battery and press a key. These are different cells. They're like, they don't fit right, but I'm going just to put them. It does noisy. It does a noise. It did a noise. As you can see, before it wasn't even booting up, even if I didn't show that. Bruh, I hope you enjoyed. It wasn't the best restoration ever, but I'm going to restore it after a close. Adios, mates. Bye. This was Joe Kid's video. Like and subscribe now. Bye. Adios, les amigos.